Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beautiful chick. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making this refreshing smoothie combination of mango, cilantro, banana and chia. I'll share the benefits of all of this with you. Cilantro is rich in antioxidants and it may aid in detoxification. That's exactly why I love cilantro. Bananas provide you with a good source of potassium, fiber, and it just has this natural sweetness. Mangoes are packed with vitamins and minerals alongside dietary fiber. Chia seeds offers you omega-3 fatty acids, proteins for sustained energy. This smoothie is refreshing. It's a way to boost your intake of fruits and vegetables. It provides you with a combination of flavors, textures that are not just delicious, but they are also nutritious. Now you can add a handful of kale or spinach for that extra boost of nutrients. Serve immediately. The consistency you're looking for is something that is smooth and creamy. And I'll add that you can adjust the quantity of ingredients based on your personal taste preferences. That's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please ensure that you like this video, leave me a comment or two, let me know what you think about this recipe. Is this something you are going to be trying? I'll see you in my next video.